guys, it's Ruby with Profashion. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Today, I'm gonna be answering all of your questions that you've been having when it comes to curling your hair with a straightening iron. You guys, I think I finally cracked the code. I've got the method down and I'm gonna show you guys the exact method. Straightening my hair with a straightening iron was always easy. Curling it, on the other hand, I always had difficulties. So I think I got it and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. So first we're gonna start off by brushing out our hair, making sure that it's nice and smooth, and then we're gonna start off by separating it into sections. Okay, so for the first section, I'm gonna go ahead and separate it, starting from the temples of my head and running that straight back, and then throwing the top section away into a bun so it's out of our way. We're gonna split this one in the middle. Now to help my hair glide with this style, I'm just gonna add a little bit of hair serum to the ends of my hair. This is gonna help it just glide right through it and add some shine. So you're gonna grab your straightener and get it nice and warm and get it to the temperature that you want it to be at. I am gonna be starting with 1-inch sections, okay? So we're gonna grab this piece here. You don't want them too small. You definitely want them a medium size so that they give you a really pretty curl. And we are gonna start off by grabbing your straightener with your hand like this and putting your thumb up here. This is how your hand should look when you're styling the left side of your hair. And notice how my elbow is up. It's not pointed down, it's pointed up so that we get a good angle to move the iron. Okay, so I'm just gonna demonstrate it by grabbing it, clamping it, and flipping it and gliding it down like that. And that is how you get a curl. This technique is so easy. I'm just gonna show you guys a few times and then run right through it for the rest of my hair. So again, you wanna grab a nice medium-sized section, not too small. Grab your iron, clamp it, make sure that your elbows pointed up. And you're going to flip the iron and just glide it down the rest of the hair. Now, if you're right-handed, the left side is going to be easier because your right hand is more dominant. But once you get to the right side, I'll show you guys just a few tricks to make it easier on that side too. Now, I wanna create a medium-sized curl, so I'm grabbing a medium-sized section. You definitely don't wanna grab too big of a section, especially if you're not used to the technique. You wanna start off with smaller to medium-sized sections so you can get it down. I'm going to grab this piece of the same way, and I'm just going to flip it. Now, since I want a nice medium style, like kind of voluminous wave, I'm gliding at a medium pace. I'm not going too fast or too slow. Okay, now if you want a tighter curl, you would glide your straightener slower. If you want a looser curl, you would glide it faster. So I'm gonna demonstrate both of those examples. If I want a tighter curl, I would take about 5 to 6 seconds to glide it down my hair. And see how that is a much tighter curl? Now I'm gonna show you guys what a looser curl would look like. And you would just clip it, flip it, and glide it really fast. And then that's how you get like a smoother wave. So this is a piece that I demonstrated moving fast. This was the piece I demonstrated moving slow. So you can definitely tell that this one is more of like a wave and this is a tighter curl. So you can definitely create a few different styles with this technique. Now, if you're right-handed, the left side is gonna be way easier than the right side because your right hand is more dominant. Now, when you're styling on the right side of your hair, you're going to be grabbing and using your tool with the left hand. You're gonna need to use your right hand to help you out. So I'm gonna show you guys. I know that sounds a little complicated, but it's really not. You're just gonna assist yourself with your right hand when you style the right side because your left hand isn't as dominant. Super simple. We're gonna grab another piece here. So you're just going to grab it, flip it, and glide it down. Like I said, it's easier for you to start off with smaller pieces until you get the technique down. But once you get it down, I would definitely recommend getting some medium-sized pieces. Now, while I continue the same technique throughout my hair, I'm just gonna share with you guys a few tips on how you can make your hair, especially your curls, last longer. Obviously, you wanna make sure that your hair is pretty clean, even if it is 2 to 3 days old. You just wanna make sure that it's not super greasy or has a lot of product in it. So you wanna start off with a nice clean base. And if you are freshly washing your hair, you definitely wanna make sure that you completely dried it out and that it's not wet so that you can prevent any heat damage happening. Another really good tip is to make sure that you're not using a straightening iron that's too big. A straightener that is around 1 inch is like the perfect size to use to get curls. If it's too big, it just won't be able to flow and glide in your hair as easily. Now, if you guys could comment in the comment section what you guys need help with most when it comes to styling your hair, we would love to see that, and we would love to see how we can help you with that too. All right, so we are almost done, you guys. We're gonna do the top section of the hair. So I'm gonna release this, and then I'm actually going to just take out the crown section. Okay, now for the crown, I'm gonna be tilting my head down. And then I'm going to section this off into a few sections. So this first section, we're going to curl away from our face. So we're gonna grab it like that. Second section, we're going to be curling from the right side. So for the crown, I like to alternate just to get some volume back there. Okay, now we're gonna do the last two pieces. And I want my part down the middle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and section it off like that. So I'm just gonna clip this hair out of my way, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do the front section. So for this section, I'm gonna start it halfway down the curl, but I'm still gonna do the same technique. That was like the perfect curl. And then we're gonna do the same thing with this section. So for the face framing pieces, I like to go just halfway. So it kind of gives like that swoop and voluminous look. So we are all done with that side. And we're just gonna let those curls cool for a second while we finish this side. Again, I'm just gonna clip this section out of my hair like that. Brush it so it's nice and smooth. All right, so we're almost done, and I just had these two final pieces. So we're gonna go halfway down the section of hair, clip it, grip it, flip it, and you can also assist yourself with the heat protectant glove and help glide it down so you can get a nice curl. And this is the last piece. So now I'm gonna show you guys one last time. Grab it like this with your thumb over. And you're just going to flip it as one and glide it down your hair. And we're just gonna kind of shake it out a little bit. And we're going to pull the curls so you can get a nice big volume. And like I said, it took me forever to try to figure out how to curl my hair with the straightener, but I feel like I finally got it down, and I'm so excited to share this technique with you guys because it was seriously impossible for me to do it before I realized how to work properly. All right, now I'm all done adding volume to my hair. cue the B-roll. Okay guys, so I hope you guys got some really good tips from this video and give them a shot yourself. For more tutorials like this, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and check us out at profashionhair.com.